Hey everyone, so let me ask you something. How long does it usually take you to write a blog post? Hours? Days? Trust me, I've been there. But recently I found something that has completely changed the way I approach writing blogs. And no, it's not another writing hack, it's Cosmochat.ai. Okay, quick backstory. I was trying to write this blog about time management, 5 tips for better time management, to be exact. I had all these ideas in my head, but just couldn't get them down on paper. You know that blank screen staring back at you? It's the worst. So I gave Cosmochat.ai a shot, and oh my gosh, game changer. Let me show you how easy it is. So, here's the dashboard. All I did was select the blog post template and type in my topic, 5 tips for better time management. It also asks for a little context, like, what's the blog about? I kept it simple. Practical advice for busy people to manage their time better. Then I chose the tone. I wanted it to feel casual and friendly, so I went with that. Seriously, that's it. No overthinking, no stressing about every little detail. I hit generate, and boom, a full draft popped up in less than a minute. Here's what it gave me: an intro that hooks you in, 5 clear and actionable tips, and a solid conclusion. It even included headings and subheadings to make it super readable. Honestly, I was blown away. Look at this, prioritize your tasks. It's straightforward, but still detailed enough to feel useful. And if I wanted to add more, there's this super handy expand option. I clicked that, and it added extra examples and explanations. It's like having a writing buddy who just gets what you're trying to say. Now let's be real. No tool is going to write a blog exactly the way you would. But here's the cool things, Cosmochat.ai. AI gives you such a solid starting point that editing becomes a breeze. I went through the draft, added a couple of personal stories, tweaked the tone here and there, and it was ready to go. By the way, it also checks for grammar and readability, so even if you're not super confident about writing, you're covered. Here's why I'm obsessed with this. It saves me so much time. What used to take me hours now takes like 20 minutes tops. The content is organized and easy to read right out of the gate. And let's be honest, we all get stuck sometimes. Having something to kickstart the process? Total lifesaver. So, if you're someone who writes blogs, or even if you just want to start, give Cosmochat.ai a try. I've dropped a link in the description for you to check it out. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever wrote without it. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips on smarter content creation. Try Cosmochat.ai today, link below.